Okay, so 2012 Acadia, stuck open fuel injector. Second one in the last year. A few months ago, we had one for cylinder 3, which is right there. Now we have one for cylinder 6, which is over here. And I have to get bank 1's fuel rail out first before I can get bank 2's, which means technically I have to replace. I didn't know this before. I reused these hoses, or these lines, these high pressure fuel lines that go from the pump to the rails, then rail to rail. I reused the same lines last time. Where are they at? I think they're over here somewhere. Yeah, they're right down here. And I got new ones for this. So I'm gonna try to mount my camera right so that we can get a good, you guys can get a good look of how I get this goddamn fuel rail out. There's no grinding involved, buddy. Can you see okay right there? Can you see okay there? You're not answering, okay? I guess, fine. All right, well, that's the best I got. Too bad for your luck. That's all I got. Keep these lines out of the fucking way. Wipe all my sweat off as much as I can. And then let's see if we can get this damn thing out. Last time I had to slide it straight that way. You have to position your mouth right, all that. Look at that. That came right out that time. Damn, I'm good. I'm just good. That's all. That's all it takes. It's actually pretty easy, guys. I didn't even cry last time. I'll go ahead and take this other fuel rail out. I'm not gonna lie, that was surprisingly easy. I am thoroughly surprised by that. I'm holding the camera at the same time, so it's kind of annoying. Just gonna get them loosened up first. Yeah, baby. Right, take that bit off. Okay, come on, get off. Come on, shit. All right. Yeah, get it. Get after it. Get that bolt off there. I think the second fuel rail should just come right out, right? I'm gonna fucking cross my fingers and I'm gonna go crazy if it doesn't. Let's put you guys back over here. Can you see okay? Whatever. Good enough for me, right? Good enough for whatever. I can't say that anymore. What the fuck is that? Neighbor is weed eating. My neighbor is my middle school principal. It's fucking crazy. Started from the bottom, now we're here, eh? Fixing our fucking cars. We don't have enough money to go through a mechanic to replace a bunch of bullshit and not fix the problem until 5 parts later. I'm sorry, but if mechanics nowadays, if they can't have a code reader and the code reader doesn't tell them exactly what's wrong, they're useless. Any front end suspension, good fucking luck in Hutchinson, Kansas. Holy shit. Fucking ball joint. I talked to a guy about it. A random dude, an automation engineer, not a fucking mechanic. And I said, you know, it sounded like this. And he goes, oh, it sounds like a lower ball joint. I said, yeah, that's exactly what it was. They couldn't figure that shit out. Why not? We'll see if we can get this goddamn thing off. Oh, this one might be more tricky than I fucking thought. It should just pop right up, right? Come on, baby. Get the fuck off. Damn. It's way harder than I thought. So I was gonna come right out. Let's see if we can pry it up a little bit. So I got something loose there. I don't wanna fuck with that line too much. Oh, that came out pretty good. Did the injectors come with it? Probably. Yes, they fucking do. Alright, so let's push those off a little bit. If only we don't need justice here. Okay. Yes, we definitely came up with it. We did it too quick, I think. I don't know how it worked exactly. But Try to push these bitches off of there. I can get to it. Try to get the fucking clips off, I guess. How the hell do you get these off? Oh, there it is. Wrong fucking part. Get the hell off. I just want to pull it all up. Yeah. Okay. Okay, got that clip off. Injector does not want to come out of there. Fuck you, man. Why can't we get these fucking things off? Very confused. What is going on with these pieces of shit? Come on. How do you pop these fucking things off? I can't even get this thing to go back into the original spot that it was in. Holy shit. Son of a bitch, man. This is fucking hard. How do I pop these motherfuckers off? What the fuck, man? I can't even fucking tell. Oh. Why won't it come off of there? Fucking insanity. Come on, man. What am I doing wrong here? It looks like it's coming off. Oh my God. Why? Fuck you, man. Come on. This is fucking insane. Actually crazy. These things will not come off of here. They are sealed on there pretty fucking tight. There's nothing holding them that I can tell. Like, there's no clip that's actually holding the fucking thing onto the rail. That clip's there, but I don't think it's doing anything. It just provides pressure. Yeah, I know what that is. It makes sense for that to be there. Just broke one of them. I don't know what the fuck to do. Oh shit. Oh, damn. Oh. Oh, man. Well, this is the problem. It's stuck open. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but if you heard that I could hear the air. Hopefully it's not the case with these two. I'm gonna try them. I'll let you know. I'm using this ultrasonic jewelry cleaner to clean the fuel injectors with some gum out shit. And I'm using a 9-volt battery and a switch and a bunch of professional wiring to pulse the fuel injector open. This is how I do the Teflon seals without the special tool that GM sells. I don't know how much it is. I think it's like $80 for this tiny little tool. I just use a pen, an old pen tube, and I heated it up and I sized it with an old injector. So you just slide this thing on. You just make sure that the Teflon seal doesn't go over the ridge, and you make sure it's in its groove. Then you shove this baby on and just twist it a bunch and get a bunch of friction heat built up, and it shrinks that Teflon seal down. And I'm telling you, I can't tell the difference between what the one I did and the new one. And the seal's held up, so proof is in the pudding, I guess.